Underlying the path to accumulating wealth and financial security lies a strikingly simple yet profoundly impactful habit: the pursuit of knowledge through reading and personal development. Warren Buffett, a titan of finance, has consistently underscored the significance of cognitive enrichment as a means of self-improvement and financial ascendance. In a world where information is readily available at our fingertips, it's astounding that so many individuals fail to harness the power of reading to enhance their lives. Buffett's emphasis on reading is not merely a passing interest, but a vital component of his own success story. He has built his incredible wealth by adopting a voracious reading habit, which has allowed him to stay ahead of the curve, anticipate market fluctuations, and make informed investment decisions. By adopting a similar approach, you can empower yourself with the knowledge necessary to make informed decisions about your finances, better navigate the challenges of the market, and ultimately secure a prosperous financial future. So, why is reading so critical to building wealth? For starters, reading exposes you to new ideas, perspectives, and insights that can broaden your understanding of the world and its workings. This, in turn, enables you to make more astute decisions, avoid costly mistakes, and capitalize on opportunities that might have otherwise eluded you. Moreover, reading enhances your critical thinking skills, allowing you to analyze complex information, identify patterns, and develop effective strategies for achieving your financial goals. Beyond these tangible benefits, reading also has a profound impact on your mental and emotional well-being. By introducing yourself to the thoughts and experiences of others, you expand your empathy, develop a broader worldview, and cultivate a sense of resilience in the face of adversity. This, in turn, enables you to approach challenges with a clearer mind, a more positive attitude, and an unwavering commitment to your goals. Incorporating reading into your daily routine may seem daunting, especially for those who are accustomed to devouring news articles, social media updates, or online content. However, the key is to approach reading with intention and discipline. Set aside a specific time each day or week and dedicate yourself to focused, in-depth reading. Whether it's a book, article, or blog post, the goal is to engage meaningfully with the material, rather than simply glancing at headlines or scrolling through feeds. In conclusion, Warren Buffett's advocacy for reading and personal development is a testament to the transformative power of knowledge in building wealth and securing financial freedom. By adopting a reading habit when it comes to managing finances, many people struggle to make ends meet, and it's not uncommon to feel like there's no way out of the cycle of debt and financial stress. The weight of financial burdens can be overwhelming, leading to feelings of anxiety and frustration. It's as if the constant pressure to make ends meet is a never-ending roller coaster ride, with no clear exit strategy in sight. For many individuals, the thought of digging themselves out of debt's deep hole seems like an insurmountable task, leaving them wondering how others seem to effortlessly juggle their finances like a circus performer. Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in the world, has revealed that one key habit can turn anyone's financial life around in just 6 months. A habit that has nothing to do with how much money you make or how much debt you have. This game-changing habit is a simple yet powerful secret that goes against conventional wisdom, and it's surprisingly easy to adopt. In this video, we'll explore the surprising formula for success that Buffett advocates, and how it can transform your financial outlook. Buckle up, because what you're about to learn could change everything. Throughout history, some of the most successful individuals have shared a common trait: they're all voracious learners. These individuals never stop seeking knowledge, never stop improving, and never stop growing. They understand that education is the key to unlocking new opportunities, and that the more they learn, the more they can achieve. In the context of personal finance, Buffett's secret habit is rooted in the idea of continuous learning, where individuals make it a point to stay informed about financial markets, economic trends, and investment strategies. By adopting this habit, individuals can gain a deeper understanding of the factors that influence the market, making it easier to navigate turbulent times. This newfound knowledge can help them make more informed decisions when it comes to investing, leading to a more stable financial future. The surprising part: anyone can develop this habit, regardless of their income level or current financial situation. It's not about how much money you make. It's about how much you're willing to learn. In this video, we'll delve into the specifics of Buffett's secret habit, exploring the ways in which continuous learning can transform your financial life. You'll learn how to cultivate a growth mindset, how to stay informed without getting overwhelmed, and how to apply this knowledge to make smarter financial decisions. So, what are you waiting? Here is the expanded text. Are you tired of living paycheck to paycheck with the constant worry of being unable to pay for the essentials, let alone give yourself a treat every now and then? Do you dream of having a financial cushion where you can relax and enjoy the fruits of your labor without the stress of money weighing heavily on your mind? You're not alone in this struggle, but the good news is that there is a secret to overcoming it. And it's not just a matter of increasing your income or reducing your spending. In fact, Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors in history, suggests that it's possible to turn your financial life around in just 6 months, regardless of your starting point. But what's the secret to achieving this? It's not simply a matter of following some get-rich-quick scheme or relying on luck. Rather, it's a matter of adopting a specific habit that can make all the difference in your financial journey. In this video, we'll reveal the surprising habit that can set you on the path to financial freedom. It's not something that requires a significant change in your lifestyle or a major sacrifice, but rather a simple tweak to your daily routine that can have a profound impact on your financial well-being. This habit is so easy to adopt that you can start doing it right away, without having to make any major changes to your budget or spending habits. But don't just take our word for it. By adopting this habit, you'll be joining a select group of people who have achieved financial stability and prosperity, including some of the most successful entrepreneurs and investors in the world. And the best part is that it's not just limited to high-income earners or those who are already financially savvy. Anyone can benefit from it, regardless of their starting point. So what is this secret habit, you ask? Well, we'll get to that in just a moment. But first, let's talk about why it's so important to adopt a habit that can help you achieve financial freedom. Living paycheck to paycheck is not only stressful and anxiety-inducing, but it can also prevent you from achieving your long-term goals and living the life you truly desire. By adopting a habit that helps you manage your finances effectively, you'll be able to break free from the cycle of poverty and start building a more secure financial future. And the benefits don't stop there. By adopting this habit, you'll also be able to enjoy improved financial stability. In today's fast-paced, ever-changing world, it's essential to stay focused and driven towards achieving your financial goals for yourself. These may involve paying off debt, saving a certain amount of money each month, or investing in stocks or real estate, with the ultimate objective of securing a stable financial future. The critical component is to ensure that your goals are specific, measurable, and aligned with your personal values, thereby providing a clear direction and motivation for achieving them. A well-crafted plan of action is also crucial for overcoming obstacles and staying on track, as it helps to identify potential roadblocks and develop strategies for addressing them before they become insurmountable issues. It's also vital to regularly review and adjust your plan as necessary to ensure that you're on the right path and making progress towards your objectives. Here is the expanded text. As we've established, developing good financial habits and knowledge is an essential foundation for achieving long-term financial success. One of the most effective ways to build this foundation is by reading and staying informed about personal finance. Reading about money management, investing, and entrepreneurship can provide valuable insights and practical tips to help you make informed decisions about your financial future. Moreover, reading about the experiences of others who have successfully built wealth can be a great motivator and help you identify strategies that might work for you. Not only can reading help you stay informed, but it can also help you build discipline and patience. By committing to a regular reading routine, you can develop the self-control and persistence required to stick to your financial goals over time. This, in turn, will allow you to make progress towards your goals and enjoy the satisfaction of watching your wealth grow. Furthermore, reading can broaden your perspective and help you develop a growth mindset, enabling you to adapt to changing circumstances and make the most of new opportunities. Now that we've highlighted the importance of reading and learning for improving one's finances, let's dive deeper into some specific strategies for personal development that can help you build wealth. One key thing is to get into the habit of setting clear, actionable goals for yourself. This means taking the time to reflect on what you want to achieve and setting specific, measurable targets that you can work towards. Having clear goals will help you stay focused and motivated, and enable you to make decisions that align with your priorities. Another important strategy is to build a strong support network. This might include finding a mentor or accountability partner who can provide guidance and encouragement, as well as surrounding yourself with people who share your values and goals. Having a supportive network can help you stay motivated and accountable, and provide a sounding board for your ideas and concerns. Additionally, it can be a great way to learn from others and gain new insights and perspectives. Finally, it's essential to prioritize self-care and stress management. Building wealth can be a stressful and overwhelming experience, especially when faced with unexpected setbacks or obstacles. By prioritizing self-care and stress management, you can reduce your risk of burnout and maintain the mental and emotional energy required to make progress towards your goals. This might involve practicing mindfulness, getting regular exercise, or seeking support from friends, family, or a therapist. To learn more about how you can use reading to improve your finances and to get access to more videos on managing your money, the key to achieving long-term success, including financial stability, lies in setting clear and actionable goals. This is a notion supported by the Harvard Business Review, which found that individuals who establish specific financial objectives are more than twice as likely to achieve them compared to those who do not. This disparity in success rates is directly attributed to the ability of setting clear goals to concentrate one's efforts and resources on the most crucial aspects of their financial lives. Furthermore, prioritizing education and personal development is an essential component in building wealth over time. By continuously updating one's knowledge and skills, individuals can stay ahead of the curve, adapt to changing market conditions, and make informed decisions that drive their financial prospects forward. Moreover, investing in oneself can open doors to new opportunities, foster meaningful relationships, and enhance one's overall well-being, all of which can have a direct impact on one's financial trajectory. In today's fast-paced and increasingly complex world, it is more crucial than ever to cultivate mental and emotional resilience, as unforeseen challenges and setbacks are inevitably a part of the journey to financial success. Developing a growth mindset, learning to navigate uncertainty, and cultivating a sense of purpose can help individuals stay focused, motivated, and committed to their long-term financial goals. Additionally, having a solid support system in place can play a vital role in achieving financial stability. Building strong relationships with family, friends, and like-minded individuals can provide valuable guidance, emotional support, and a sense of community, all of which can be essential in overcoming the inevitable obstacles that arise along the way. It is also important to recognize that achieving financial success is not solely dependent on one's personal qualities or abilities, but also on the external factors that shape our financial lives. Factors such as the economic environment, political climate, and social trends can have a significant impact on our financial prospects, and it is essential to stay informed, adaptable, and proactive in the face of these changes. Ultimately, the path to financial success is a personalized one, and what works for one person may not work for another. However, by setting clear goals, prioritizing education and personal development, cultivating mental and emotional resilience, building a strong support system, and remaining informed and adaptable, individuals can increase their chances of achieving long-term financial stability and success. As Warren Buffett suggests, reading and learning new things is one of the most effective ways to invest in yourself and your financial future. This concept is rooted in the understanding that knowledge is power, and that acquiring new skills, insights, and perspectives can have a profound impact on one's financial well-being. In today's rapidly changing economic landscape, where market trends and technological innovations are constantly evolving, it's essential to stay informed and adapt to these changes in order to succeed. To tap into this knowledge, one can engage in various forms of learning, such as taking courses or attending seminars on topics related to personal finance, business, or investing. These educational opportunities can provide a comprehensive understanding of the various aspects of finance and investing, including stock market analysis, portfolio management, and risk assessment. For instance, courses on options trading, technical analysis, or value investing can help individuals develop a deeper understanding of how to make informed investment decisions. Reading books and articles on personal finance, business, and investing is another excellent way to expand one's knowledge and skills. There are countless publications and online resources available, offering insights from experts and thought leaders in the field. Some recommended books include The Intelligent Investor by Benjamin Graham, The Little Book of Common Sense Investing by John C. Bogle, and A Random Walk Down Wall Street by Burton G. Malkiel. Similarly, online resources like the Wall Street Journal, Forbes, and Bloomberg offer a wealth of information on financial markets, economics, and investing. The key to success, as Buffett emphasizes, is to be consistent and to always be learning. This means setting aside time each day or week to engage in learning activities, such as reading or taking online courses. It's also essential to stay up to date with market trends and news, as well as to continuously refine one's investment strategy and portfolio. By investing in oneself through learning and education, individuals can develop the skills and knowledge necessary to make informed investment decisions and achieve long-term financial success. In conclusion, reading and personal development is one of the most important habits for achieving financial freedom. As Warren Buffett points out, it is a fact that has been confirmed time and time again by numerous individuals who have reached a high level of success. It is not about how much money you make or your investment strategy, but about how committed you are to learning and self-improvement. By cultivating this habit,